Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is data distribution strategies. There are four main data distribution strategies. First is centralized, second one is partitioned, third data distribution strategy is replicated, and fourth one is hybrid. Centralized data distribution strategy. In this data distribution strategy, all data is stored at a single site. It is easy to implement, but it has three disadvantages. Data is not readily accessible at remote sites. Data communication cost may be very high. The database system fails totally when the central system fails. Partitioned. In this data distribution strategy, database is divided into partitions or fragments. Each partition is assigned to a particular site. Major advantage of this strategy is that data is moved closer to the local user. Data becomes more easily accessible. Replicated. In this strategy, full copy of database is assigned to more than one site on the network. This approach maximizes local access, but it creates update problems. Fourth data distribution strategy is hybrid. In this strategy, database is partitioned into critical and non-critical fragments. Non-critical fragments are stored at only one site. Critical fragments are stored at multiple sites. File organization. File organization is a technique for storing data on secondary storage devices so that it can be retrieved easily when needed. The system designer must recognize several constraints for selecting a file organization. These constraints include the following: physical characteristics of secondary storage devices, available operating system and file management software, users' requirement for storing and accessing data. System designer must consider these constraints while selecting a file organization. Criteria for selecting a file organization: fast access of data retrieval, efficient use of storage space, protection from failure or data loss, minimizing need for reorganization, accommodating growth, security from unauthorized use. These are the 6 main criteria for selecting a file organization. System designer must consider this criteria while selecting a file organization. Implementation of file organization. After database design and selecting a suitable DBMS, the database system is implemented. The purpose of this phase is to install and run database system. The database implementation phase, the database administrator or DBA normally requires a server computer. DBA also needs the services of network administrator to connect the user with the server. The users can share information through database server. Users are normally given the authorization or permissions so that they can perform authorized tasks while using the database system. In distributed computing environment, database server and user might be thousands of kilometers apart. For example, in Pakistan, Nadra is a typical example of this type of database system. So in today's lectures, we have discussed data distribution strategies. There are four main data distribution strategies: centralized, partitioned, replicated, and hybrid. We have discussed file organization and criteria for selecting a file organization and implementation of file organization. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.